Hello guys, welcome to the part 2. Uh, where we have to cover every developer role in the previous video. So now in this video we have to cover uh, front end, back end, full stack, MERN stack, mean. So what was the projects you have to be built on your so I just to continue this part 2. So let's start. So in the last time we covered which what type of roles we actually does. So today agenda we have a cover the points like a front end project, back end project, and full stack project. So then we have to be put on the MERN project and mean project. So finally some tips how I have to share with you, and let's just start it. So how we pick the right project for the different things like front end, back end, and full stack, non stack. And so, first of all, you know the things to how to uh, make a project. Like you have to watch the tutorial. Yeah, you have to make some project and build some logics. So, which things you have to be do and which are the right project you have to pick. So let's start one by one. So first of all, let's start talk about the front end project. So the front end project, you have to do like something weather dashboard, e-commerce UI card, and the personal portfolio. It's like some uh, beginner type project. Then you have to move on the some uh, uh, advanced project, and then you have to go to the medium level project. So in the front end you have too many things you have to build, like some personal portfolio, weather dashboard, and e-commerce, and like you have to also create some cards, Pokemon cards, and these things you have to be built in the front end projects. So that's all. In the backend projects, you have to know about the REST API and create a read and update and delete, and how the full authentication system with work, how the hash password and JWT session is work. And in the advanced, you have also real-time chatbot you have to be create on the backend projects, and WebSocket and multiple chat rooms, how it is working in the backend. So you have to be these ideas you have to be implemented. So that's the things you have to do. So now we will cover on the full stack project. So full stack project we have to be just make a some real database, how the front end to back end we have to connect it, and how the things we have to be happen, how the REST API will work, how the hash map and the JWT. You have, if you have to any make up advanced project in the full stack like some cricket website and the blog platform and the Netflix clone and YouTube clone. So you have to make some proper ideas to make a perfect full stack project. So you also be create some AI resume builder, interview preparation platform, AI code review tool. These types of things you have to be built in the full stack project. We have a Stack project ideas. So in the Stack project ideas, you have to build like a auto connect, auto rickshaw project, and complete interview platform, and complete restaurant platform, and these types of project you have to be built in the Stack. You have also built like a job portal. It's like a LinkedIn and Naukri. So with the help of Express and Node.js and uh, basic knowledge of all the things in APIs and how the React render we have to work, how the React UI features will work on these Stack projects. You have to know all the things front end, back end, and uh, database, how we the three things are working. So uh, make these projects in Stack. It's very good for you. So we talk about the mean stack projects like mean stack project. We have to be done like a admin dashboard and the cost dashboard and the interview page dashboard, how the admin dashboard will be work, uh, data table, like we have to know the data table, how the data table we have to be built, and how the CRUD application will be properly work, and uh, in the uh, we will know the admin dashboard. We have to role based category, we have to create like a admin and the user, how these things will happen in the mean. You have to proper know about the MongoDB Express and Node.js. So that was a very good thing. You have to be make a project on these things in the mean. So completely proper follow of the CRUD operation and the things you have to be core features of MongoDB and Express and Node.js and the CRUD. So make some like a dashboard projects, proper dashboard projects in the mean. So that's all. I think we have to talk about the 5 tips for the project that actually get you hired in these types of skills you these types of the role, like full stack, MERN stack, and front end and the back end. So you have to make first of all to uh, know the problem. What was the problem? You have to be what the things you have to be do, like deploy first of all to first thing you have to solve the real problems, deploy, and the second thing is deploy it. Third thing is proper readme file, and the fourth thing is the standout features have to be add on the project, and the fifth thing, record yourself and uh, make these things and upload on your LinkedIn, and that the 5 things you have to be good to follow these 5 things. So now the next thing, we have to be where to showcase these projects. So first of all, you have to push on your GitHub, and then you push on your portfolio site, and then add on your resume, LinkedIn, and deploy the project on many deployment sites like Redify and Render and the Virtual. These things you have to be do, and up- apply this thing. So that's it. Pick up one project from today, actually finish it and deploy it, and tag me what you do and the features, the best things you have to be do in your project. If this help, and subscribe my channel and drop your comment. So I will uh, make more project videos and latest project videos that will be upload on my channel. So that's all about today video. Thank you.